Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into part 3 or period 3 of the Dione Protocol Testnet campaign. This is one I just dropped the video for phase 2 or period 2 today, and unfortunately the NFT mint for period 2 is over. You can still collect your OBOLs, which are going to be important for the rewards later on, but we do have period 3, which consists of more on-chain activities like claiming the faucets for different tokens. So it'll be a quick one, but before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these OBOs or OBOLs, which you can claim at the end of this campaign for whatever rewards they will be giving out. If you do have any questions or comments or need any help navigating these testnets or mainnet campaigns, we have a Discord. Link is in the description below. Let me get in the rules and guidelines so I can show y'all. So if you have any issues seeing any of our amazing channels, go to the rules and guidelines and you'll see a thumbs up. So here, see the little thumbs up right here? Click that and you will be good to go into the server. So we have a lot of amazing channels in here. Stay active, a lot of good stuff. So jump in there and we will help you with anything that you might have for us. So I appreciate all of you and let's dive in. So we're just gonna get into it since phase 2, sorry, I kind of got that out late, but period 3, we're gonna go ahead and do this. So each one of these faucets, you go to the same place. So we're gonna basically click here, go to the portal Dione Protocol faucet, connect your wallet. We connected. So we'll make sure we're not a bot. Mountains, yes, verify. Now select your token. Now we'll go through each one of these, okay? We'll request tokens for each one of these. UK carbon, oh, okay, I think we have to refresh after each one of these because, okay, yeah, UK carbon credit. We'll do the California, okay. I think I need to move and then, yeah, we'll do California next. So we have to do this faucet every time. So no, we'll go to the dashboard and then back to the faucet. So that way you can reset the this CAPTCHA bot. Crosswalks, okay, we'll get out of there and get our last one, South Korea carbon credit. So you want to mint all of these tokens from the faucet, and so each phase will be doing some on-chain activities, and I believe they will all kind of build up on top of each other. So the first one's the socials, and then the second one is learning how to mint the testnet tokens, and then this one's minting more testnet tokens, and period 4 will probably be token swap or sending a token. So all of these tasks kind of build up on top of each other to teach you how to, 1, use the crypto and like use the wallet and request funds, but 2, just teaching you about their products and how to use everything. So we're going to claim the OBOLs and then we will mint our NFT. So if you have a backup wallet that you can use for this, that would be great. That would be great. Okay, claim Apollo NFT. It's getting dark in the office. And there you go. Oh no, cannot read properties. So probably another testnet goof. Check it out and see if, okay. So it confirmed, it's just not, there you go. Oh, and it says that I claimed. So there you go. If you're having issues, just refresh and keep trying it and keep trying it. Dione Protocol, check out the staking is probably gonna come soon. Validators, let's check these out. Validator login, no. But yeah, we'll be checking this out. Let's see if the bridge works yet. I know I just, no. So we might be doing a bridge at some point. We're gonna do Sepalia, see if this actually works. Nope, I don't have either. So nope, looks like we gotta wait on that. So come in here, get your testnet tokens, and don't forget to get all your OBOLs. And also get your OBOLs from this one as well. And even though you can't mint the NFT, you'll still get these points for rewards later on. So best of luck. And let me know if you need any help. Please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.